Hey readers, welcome to Read Aloud Day 18. Today, I have a question for you. Do you ever get hangry? I have to tell you a secret. I am always hungry. In fact, I'm starving. And sometimes my family makes fun of me. This book, Hungry Bird, reminds me of when I was a kid and always had the need to say, I'm starving. Also, it makes me think of my niece Emma, who has followed in the footsteps of her aunt with the hunger needs. I hope you enjoy Jeremy Tankard's Hungry Bird. I'm starving. Do you ever get hangry? Hungry Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Bird and his friends had just set out on a hike when Bird's tummy rumbled. I'm getting hungry, said Bird. I might need something to eat. The other animals didn't answer. They were too busy enjoying the hike. Hey, Fox, said Bird. Did you pack anything for me to eat? I'm a bit peckish. I brought some yummy berries. Would you like a few? No, thanks, said Bird. Berries are not my favorite. Suit yourself, said Fox. Bird's tummy rumbled louder. Hey, Beaver, said Bird. Have you brought anything delicious to eat? I'm hungry. I have lots of nice crunchy sticks, said Beaver. Would you like some? Sticks, said Bird. Are you crazy? Birds don't eat sticks. Well, beavers do. Yum, said Beaver. Bird's legs were growing weak. Hey, Sheep, said Bird. Have you packed anything tasty? I'm starving. I packed some delicious grass, said Sheep. We could share it. Grass, said Bird. I think you mean gross. Who wants to eat grass? I do, said Sheep. It's scrumptious. Bird could not go one more step. Hey, Raccoon, said Bird. Please tell me you've remembered what I like to eat. I'm ravenous. I have this nice sandwich, said Raccoon. Would you like half? Sandwich, said Bird. Yuck, that's disgusting. It isn't, said Raccoon. It's a medley of flavors. Bird was sure he was going to pass out from hunger. Hey, Rabbit, shouted Bird. Give me something to eat now. How about a carrot? Said Rabbit. Carrots are delicious. Carrots are orange, shouted Bird. How on earth can I eat a carrot? You crunch it, said Rabbit, like this. Crunch, crunch. Bird's tummy roared and he collapsed to the ground. He lay where he had fallen. He lay there some more. You mean none of you packed me a snack that I like? Bird called to his friends. If I don't eat this very instant, I might die. Bird's friends had stopped to rest on a log and eat their snacks. They called to him. Bird could hardly hear them over his noisy tummy. "Be quiet, tummy," whimpered the bird. "I'm starving to death here." Bird looked at his friends happily munching away. He was too hungry to walk. He crawled over to them. "Okay, fine. I'll try your snack," said Bird. He'd tasted some berries. "These taste very round." He nibbled some sticks. "Crunchy." He chewed some grass. "I feel like a sheep." Bird tried the sandwich. "It's not as disgusting as I thought." He even ate a carrot. Not bad. It does taste orange, but I like it." Just then, Fox spotted something wriggling in the grass. "Bird," he said, "your favorite snack, a worm." "No thanks," said Bird. "I'm thirsty. Who brought me a drink?" Hey readers, I just want to wish you a happy spring break. I will catch you in 10 days. Be sure to keep reading and keep moving.